If you are wondering what is the recommended power adapter for Samsung Galaxy A37, then the answer seems to be quite simple. The recommended charger for this phone is a Samsung power adapter that has 45 watts or more. Why 45 watts? Simply because the phone can charge the battery using 45 watts at most. So of course anything above that, while it still, of course, can be used in order to charge the phone, it doesn't make any difference compared to a power adapter that has exactly 45 watts. Now, this is of course a recommendation, so the most optimal choice is going to be the genuine Samsung power adapter with 45 watts, as I mentioned. But if you do not want to purchase the Samsung power adapter, you can get any other brand. I recommend using at least a well-known brand such as Motorola, Xiaomi, Oppo, OnePlus, Realme, stuff like that. I don't know what else, like Google maybe, and so on and so forth. So these well-known brands are, of course, one of the best ones, one of the better ones, I mean. And just like before, 45 watts is the recommended amount of watts that the power adapter should have. And while, of course, you can use other brands as well, and they are going to work just like the Samsung power adapter, of course, the most optimal choice is still going to be the Samsung one. Now, one thing that you also need to keep in mind is that, of course, power adapters may have different ports. So you can find a power adapter that has USB-A port. So you will need to use a cable that is USB-A on one end and USB-C on the other one. Or you can just simply try to find another power adapter that has USB-C port, so you can use the original cable. But in case you already got a power adapter and it has USB-A port, then you don't really need to use the original cable because you can use a custom one as well. So, for example, a one that is USB-A to USB-C. So that's pretty much it. To quickly summarize, ideally you want to get 45 watts Samsung power adapter or a stronger one. But other well-known brands are going to work as well. And if you happen to get, for example, actually a power adapter that has less than 45 watts, it's still going to work. So you can get 30 watts, for example. It's going to be fine too. It's going to charge, but the charging speed will be actually slower compared to a power adapter that has 45 watts. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.